Hey YouTube, how we doing today? That's right, we got another nifty little blade review for you. And to be honest, I know I haven't brought a lot of SOG blades to the channel. Well, today we're going to change that. So stay tuned right after we roll that intro, and we're going to take a look at this one. Okay guys, thank you for staying past the intro and thank you for watching. As you saw by that opening run, we're going to take a look at the SOG Sideswipe. Now here's its little clamshell packaging. And here's the little info that they have on the back. Okay, so here it is in all of its glory. The SOG Sideswipe. Now, it's got an overall length of about 6.85 inches. The blade itself is about 3.4, and I'll tell you right off the bat, I really like the grooves that are carved in here. I have no idea why they did that. Aesthetically, it looks kind of freaking awesome. Closed, it's got a length of about 3.45 inches, and it's got an okay weight of about 3.5 ounces. It's got a little heft in it, but it's not over the top, you know? You know you're holding it, you know you're carrying it, but it's not cumbersome or bothersome to you. Now the blade steel is 7CR15 with a Rockwell rating of 55 to 57. And yeah, it's okay for sharpness. It's not anything that's scalpel-like, you know, precision right out of the box. Little honing, little touch-up, you know, it's going to bring it right up to where it needs to be. Now, I do like the fact it's got a lockback, you know, locking mechanism. Those are pretty reliable and pretty much some of the most safest ones I've seen in blades. Now, it does have a reversible pocket clip right here. And it's only one way you can carry it, which unfortunately, as you can tell, is tip up. Now, the handle is just basically aluminum with a gray anodized finish. I mean, it's got a neat little look to it. The dual thumb studs, and of course, you know, a little bit of forward jimping makes it really easy, you know, to hold in the hand. Now, the one thing I thought was pretty awesome about this blade, if you look right here, little internal safety lock. That, I think, is awesome, especially if you have young kids around the house running around and you accidentally leave a blade out. You can throw a safety lock on and your kids can't get it open. Now, the cost on this guy over on SOG's website is $54. Over on Amazon, it's $31, plus you get free shipping. And yes, I will admit, I went into Dick's Sporting Goods because I just wanted to kind of giggle about, you know, some of the things that are going on. And that's where I picked this up. And it cost me $35.99. That's probably also why you notice right up here, they didn't take those off when I purchased it. Now its rating over on SOG's website is 4.5 stars out of 5. And over on Amazon, it's 3.3 stars out of 5. I don't know, I kind of like it. I kind of like the look of it. And like I said, what sold me was those grooves that are right there in the blade. But I want to know what you think, as usual, please, down below. Any questions, comments, whatever, down below. If you're a first-time viewer on the channel, I want to thank you so much for spending a moment of your day with me. Your time is very, very valuable to me. You're going to be seeing a little symbol pop up right over here. That's going to be my company logo. Go ahead, click on that. That's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've subscribed, make sure you click on that bell icon. That way you'll be notified every single time I upload a video. Now, speaking of videos, you're going to see 2 of them popping up right over here. Those are going to be from my catalog of videos that YouTube thinks is going to be a good viewing experience for you. There we go, guys. My quick look at the SOG Sideswipe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have an incredible day.